Hey, morning everyone. I'm back doing the 100 algorithm challenge. Today is day 14. Let me open my restream chat. You see that I'm super close to getting 5Q in Code Wars. Restream chat. So today is the 4th day I've been doing it straight. Total 14 days. So basically 2 weeks. 2 weeks total. That's just about. I'm definitely getting better at algorithms. I'm gonna also do data structures. That's kind of something I'm getting better at that too. But that's something that kind of trying to. Even though I'm doing algorithms, I have to make sure I focus on data structures as well, and maybe even more because I don't know them create that much. I also am interviewing for React jobs. Yesterday I had an interview. It was late at night, so I kind of felt tired doing the interview, and I noticed when I was kind of talking, I kind of just was not like fully there. And he says I might have a regular interview next week, and it might be form validation, so I kind of have to get myself better at that. But let me start this. So I'm gonna be doing data structures as well. So let's start this. I'm trying to see how I schedule it. It's gonna be, I'm gonna do this first, then I'm gonna do TypeScript, then maybe what is it called? Hacker rank, and then probably data structures, and then I'll probably be done for the day with this type of stuff. I'll go to React. Probably something with form validation. I don't have exactly what I'm gonna be doing. Okay, so let's start. Let's find an easy one to start. Let's look at JavaScript. I always do positive feedback. Basically, honestly, for the 8Q, I am basically done. I've done so many 8Q because I always warm up with 8Q. But let me see. It might be this one. Basic language features. Yeah, I guess, yeah, it's gonna be this one. So, okay. Okay. So, okay. Hotpo that takes a positive n as an input and returns the number of times you need to perform this algorithm to get 1. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Basic. Okay. If n. Okay. So I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna put my music on. Let's 1 second. Oh, I didn't know I had it like that. So you guys are probably hearing it. Okay, so let's but let me set myself up. If anyone is new to the channel, I usually set myself up. The way I set myself up is I have something called, let's see, so in monitor, I have something called ghost text, and the way I do that, and what ghost text is going to allow me to do, it's going to allow me to type into Code Wars. So let's enable that. Let's go back to Code Wars. Let's go to Code Wars. Let me do this ghost text icon. Then let me click the text box. I click that. And wait, it didn't show up. That's interesting. Okay, wait. Let me try that one more time. Enable ghost text. Ghost text has been enabled. Ghost text on. Okay, let's shut it off. Let's turn it on. I want this one. Oh, why isn't it's not for some reason it's not recognizing this as a text box. So you know what? I'm gonna refresh it. Let's refresh it. Okay, let's turn it on. Let's see. Okay, now I have it. The only thing is I don't want this blue here, so I'm gonna refresh it again. Okay, so let me refresh it one more time. The blue kind of distracts me. So ghost text. Don't save. Don't save. Okay. Click here. Okay. So, okay. Now, if I go to VS Code, I am going to have this. So I have this here. Let me switch to Babel JavaScript, and I have to do one more thing. I'm gonna install Quokka. Quokka is gonna allow me to whatever is on this file. Start on current file. Okay, whatever. It's just gonna run whatever function is in this file. So let's put their functions. Let's put their functions. So let's test their functions. Okay. So the only thing I'm not gonna console log it. I'm just gonna actually remove it. So remove it. Yeah, that's and I gotta take rid of this stuff. This. So. Okay. So let's just console log this. Control Alt L. It's gonna give me a quick console log, so you kind of see that I have stuff here. So now let's go back. I'm gonna leave Code Academy here, and I'm going to be typing in here. So let's see, how do I do this? Let me. Okay. Okay. Three and plus one. Okay, so disconnected. Why did it disconnect? Okay, so for some reason it disconnected. Let me see. Let me see. Why did it disconnect? I'm gonna refresh it. Gonna copy this. Okay. Okay. Don't save. Don't save. Don't save. Let me paste. Paste. Okay. Let me get Babel. For some reason it disconnected. Not sure why. Okay. Enable Quokka. Enable start Quokka on the file. Yes. Okay. I got Quokka working. Okay. So let me make this big. So I have to figure out if my watch is kind of, and I should be 5Q by this one. Like I am so close to being 5Q. I am definitely 5Q by the number, but I'm not 5Q by the percentage how they do it. Okay. So this is pseudocode. If number is even, number equals number divide 2. Okay. I'm gonna just test this with my calculator. So how many times it runs? Okay. 23, 20, so 23. So 23 is not even. 23. Yeah, it's not divisible. Okay. So 23 divide. Okay. Wait. What? Number equals. uh okay. So 3 times the number. So 23 times 3 plus 1. And then now I just do number divide 2. I don't really understand how this works. Let me try to figure this out a little better. So let's conjecture. Okay, algorithm. Okay, so let's see. So now, what if the sequence is okay? If n is odd, then 12. uh, 1 is 1. Time. Okay, so 12. So 3. Okay. Okay. I think I get it now. So I kind of look at this. So I don't look at the answer yet, but so I just keep doing this until it becomes 1. Okay. So let me see. Okay. So let's do if n module 2. So if it's even, so if n module 2 equals 0, so if it's even, return num divide 2. So n is return number. Alt Shift D. I'm not gonna. Oh, okay. Return number divide 2. If num I'm actually not going to put a number. I'm going to put an input 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 I wonder if there's a extension rename variables. So let's see. So I had a what did I have? So yesterday I had a coding. No. Tuesday I had a coding test. The thing about the coding test that everything was multiple choice. It was just one algorithm question, but the algorithm question was linked list, which it wasn't hard. But for me, data structure a little harder. So that I didn't do good in. That last part I didn't do good in. Yesterday I had the interview, and honestly, I was it was late at night, and then I felt iffy on the interview, but I think I have an in-person interview next week. But we'll see. They haven't called me yet. But that one I feel that I could do the job. It's React, so I'm starting to get confident in React again. And even the data structures, even though that's I'm just doing this easy one. Like right now, I always do actually I could probably just do this. I think I could just do this and paste this. I think if no, like did it send this? Okay. Okay. So this is the one I'm doing today. I'm just looking at any extensions. Change variable style. Var. Rename variable. What is this? Sorry, I'm just looking at extensions. This isn't like, yeah, okay, so, let me put code word so if you guys want to see. I hope this is big enough. So we have to see how many times we have to see how many times it runs this until it equals 1. So I think I have to do okay, else. So if it's so okay, so 3 times input Okay. Return 3 times input. Okay. So let me see. I'm just gonna look up recursory statements really quick. That's also something I have to get good. Recursive JavaScript. So I'm just looking at learn and understand recursion in JavaScript. Okay. Let's see. I'm just looking at this. Okay, so function factorial. Okay. Return x. Return x. Return x factorial x minus 1. Okay, I'm just gonna type this really quick. I'm gonna just put this in mine. Hopeful. Okay. Okay, so let me see. Return hopeful. Okay. So if even okay, let's see something. Return input. Return x. Let me see. So this is just a recursory statement, the top part. So I'm just trying to make mine like theirs. So okay, so input divide 2. So let me see something. Input divide 2. Return x times. So input divide 2. Let me see. So if it's 1, it's 0. So if 1 times 2, okay. Okay, actually, so I'm gonna do, let me see, else if, okay. So I'm gonna kind of do the first part. So this is to handle 0. So this is to handle 0. If input equals 0, if input equals 0, return 0. If input equals 0, return 0. Okay. else if input equals 1, return count. Okay. Return count. Let me format this. Where did they say I have a problem? Else if. Okay, else if. Okay. Else if return count. Else if input divide 2. Okay. Can I do this? Count equals 0. So I'm just putting a default argument. Let me think. So input, so it's even. So let me see something. Let me see how this one looks. Factorial. Hot po. So I'm gonna put it back into the hot po function, and then I'm gonna count. I'm gonna put in the hot po function, and then I'm gonna add to the count. Return. I think this works. Count plus plus. I hope that works. If 50 divide 2 equals 0, if 2 divide 2 equals, okay. Let's see, let me fix some of this. Okay, so I think I'm doing it. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let me kind of see my logic. Count plus plus. Okay, so let's put this. I wonder if this works. How do I test this? I think if I console log these, I could test it. No. Something. Okay, let me undo that. Alt Shift D. Let me. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Even though I kind of need that. Actually, no. Let me do something else. Let me Control Alt L. I just have to get rid of the end. what is it telling me I'm doing wrong? Oh, okay, no, I have to get rid of Alt D. Okay. Hmm. I think if I do this, it works. Expected. Okay, this isn't really working right now. I'll put. Um. Hmm. Okay, let's just do this. This should work. Unexpected token. Okay. Let's see where can I have a problem. This one. Let's get. I'm just gonna test it one at a time because. Okay, so let's see. Let's just go. Okay, console log. Output 0. Okay. So what I'm looking at here, I think I did it correctly, and that's good because I need more experience with recursory functions. Okay. So I tested. So I tested. Okay. Okay. So I tested. So I'm testing 0 here. That gives me 0. Let's test. Let's test. Control shift. No. Let's test another thing. Okay. Let's test 5 and 5. Okay. 5 gives us 0, so that's definitely wrong. So I have something wrong. Okay. Let me see why I have something wrong. And let me see why 5 gives me 0. Or actually, let me actually redo this. Pull 5. Okay. Let's do it this way. Shift L. Nope, 5 still gives me 0. So what I'm gonna do, so let's see, input. So input should be the first one. This should be correct. Let's just let's console log this right here. Okay, so let's see how this is doing this. So return 0. Count 0, 5, 0. Everything is giving me 0. If input equals 0, return 0. Okay. If input if input equals 1, return count. I think what's wrong is this isn't counting. I wonder if I just do this. I wonder if this works. Input count plus. Does that work? input, and then count plus plus. Okay, it does not seem to work. Count plus plus. Let me look this up. How to increment parameter. JavaScript. My music shut off. Let me see something. JavaScript recursion increment count. If count, okay, count plus plus. Okay, count plus plus. That's default. I don't want to put it in here. Let's just, okay. Count equals 0. Let count equals 0. Return count equals 0. Return count plus plus. Count plus plus. No. It's let's get rid of these. Why doesn't it count this? Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be incrementing this count. Huh. Console log input. Let me see. Let me just console log the whole input. Okay, so it's doing it correctly. So like if you see theirs, so 5, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. So what? Oh, wait. Input 5, then it goes to 16, then it goes to 8, then it goes to 4, then it goes to 2, then it goes to 1, and then if it's 1, if 1 divide 2, if 1 divide 2, uh okay, yeah, it's doing it. It's stopping. Okay. So the recursory function works, but now my count function doesn't work in my recursory function. So let me put you back here. I just got to figure out the count, and then I should be able to get this to work. And then I should be able to beat 5Q. I mean, yeah, 5Q. Index plus plus. Let me see. So I think I have it. So I think this is what's giving me here. I have to pre-increment it. So let's see. Let me see. Count. I still actually don't know why this doesn't work. Okay. Plus count. Plus count. Plus plus count. Count equals 0. Count equals 0. Okay. That's not correct. Plus count should be 5. Oh, no. This is why, right here. Okay, I think I got it. This was actually a good one. It got me used to recursory a little bit. I'm gonna look at this really quick just to kind of understand it. Return function. Okay, I'm gonna submit this. I'm gonna erase this. So run sample test. Okay, now I should be 5Q. Let's look. Okay. No, I'm not. How am I not? Oh man. Oh my god. This is the smallest percentage. Look, 99.3 to get to 5Q. Ugh, guess I'm not gonna get to 5Q today. Let's see. I'm gonna probably take a break, eat a banana. I'm still gonna stay. And then I'll switch over to other algorithms. This one was definitely good for me. Recursory, I haven't done recursory, so or I haven't done recursory in a while, so that got me some good practice in recursory. I'm really close to 5Q. I'll be right back in a second. Be right back. Getting food. Okay, let me. So yeah, I'm just heating up food before I start another one. I'm probably gonna do a 100 algorithm challenge. I thought I was gonna be 5Q today, but as you can see, I am 6Q, but I am 99.3%. As you can see, there's this tiny gap. Codors just doesn't want me to be 5Q, or they don't think I'm ready yet. But I'm gonna get there. I'm going to get there probably tomorrow. Just heating up my food. Gonna eat it, then I'll start again. I think my food should be done. I'll be right back one more time. Give me 1 second. I normally wait to eat. I usually don't like to eat on the stream. But today I was just extra hungry. Honestly, I'm just eating right now. Just give me a second. Paper apple, okay. I'll have paper apple. I'm eating rib. It was actually from yesterday. I would normally just stop the stream, but I don't really feel like it right now. Even just 2 weeks to doing this, I'm definitely getting better. Even doing the easy ones, I'm definitely getting better. Because it's just some things that you know, but you have to refresh your memory. So like today, this easy one here that I did, recursory. I know recursory, but I haven't done it for a while, so I kind of forgot it. Not forgot it, but I had to look stuff up, but now that I'm looking at it again, it's not that hard. I guess I should change the stream to an eating stream. Coding and eating. I'll probably get more viewers, but I don't really care too much about my viewer, how many viewers I have. I just care that I learn. And I motivate people. And I motivate myself. I hope I don't get sick again. That would not be good. Let's not talk. Let's see where I'm at. December has like almost 7 more weeks left or 8 more weeks left. So I'm in a good position. What time is it? So I might switch over to data structures. You know what? I am going to shut the stream off, and then when I'm done eating, I'll come back.